Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll almost all the way down to find this option, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case it is 5 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, as you can see, and no other app is available right here. We've got also unlocks and notifications count, and basically you can check some further details just by tapping inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the specific days of the week. You can compare them, you can tap on the specific day, and under it you will have the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. Moreover, you can tap on the app and again you will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, not the whole screen time. Alright, so this is how it works. Moreover, here we've got something which is called ways to disconnect and reduce interruptions. I will not explain all of them, I will focus only on app timers. So they will be extremely useful if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the screen or on the specific app. We can open the app timers, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what you can do here is to kind of block the app. So let me choose, for example, the camera. So just tap on this hourglass icon next to the app, and now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day. And after that time, the app will be blocked, and the timer will reset at midnight, and obviously tomorrow I will again be able to use it for 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 minutes. Tap on OK, and now the camera is completely blocked out. It is grayed out. We can try to tap on it, but we've got this information that the timer ran out. So obviously maybe it is not the perfect way of trying to limit the screen time or the time spent on the app. However, I think it is a great first step into improving your well-being and trying to limit the usage of the specific app. If you wish to remove it, just go to the settings and here tap on the trash bin icon next to the app timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.